Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, you're highly welcome, and to my old subscribers, I'm so grateful. Love you guys. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to sew this trendy halter neck with side pockets. Okay, so don't go anywhere, keep watching. Okay, it's very simple to make and you can make this in less than 5 minutes. So guys, to cut this gown, my fabric is folded into two. We'll be drafting out the front part. Okay, you can see this side here is folded and this side here is open. Okay, I just secured with my pin. The length of this gown is 64 inches, the width 14 inches. Okay, the fabric is folded into two. All right, so the round shoulder measurement I'm working with 8 inches. Okay, then the neck width I'm working with 3 inches. Okay, the neck depth also I'll be marking 3 inches. Then I'll use my curve ruler and connect these two together. Okay, so the armhole I'm working with divided by 2. Okay, I'll be marking out 9 inches. So I'll use my ruler and connect like so. Okay, so the round bust measurement I'm working with is 48 inches. Okay, divided by 4, that will give me 12 inches. Okay, so I'm marking that on the armhole. Okay, I'll be adding 1.5 inches, okay, to this 12 inches for the allowance. All right, so I haven't done this. I will be connecting from the width of this neckline, this upper neck width, down to this point. Okay, and so next up I'll just be making a straight line down to the lower part of the gown. So the next thing we'll do is to cut this out. Okay, so guys, I've gone ahead to fold the fabric into two again for the back part. Remember, this gown doesn't have a zipper. Okay, so the back part is also folded on this edge. All right, so the next thing we'll do is I'll just be marking on this 9 inches armhole. Okay, so this is where our back will start from, and then next up we'll be marking out the pockets. Okay, so from this point here for the front part, okay, I'll be going down by 17 inches. Okay, so our pocket will start on at 17 inches, and then 8 inches wide for the pocket opening. Okay, so I will notch this part and this part, then cut, then fold this upper part like so to cut out the back parts. Okay, and don't forget this back part is including the elastic band, so I'll be using half an inch for the elastic band. Okay, so next up we'll be cutting the pocket for the gown. Okay, so I'm folding my fabric into two. So the length of my pocket, the width 9 inches and length 12 inches. Okay, so I'll be cutting out the pocket, then folding the material again into two to cut out the second pocket. Okay, so for the rope I'm cutting out something straight. Okay, this 30 inches, and I'll fold 3.5 inches. The next thing we do next, I'll take this over to the machine. Okay, I'll be folding this front neckline. Okay, like so and like so. Okay, to create a passage for my rope. Okay, for the neck rope I'll also be folding this side also. Okay, then for the back also I'll be folding this to create a passage for my elastic too. Okay, so guys, this is the back part. Okay, I've created a passage for the elastic, and the elastic I have here, length 14.5 inches. Okay, so I'll be passing that through this channel. Okay, this is the front part too. This is the front part too. This is the neckline and the armhole. Okay, this is the rope for the neckline. I'm on the wrong side, I've run a stitch, so I'll just be trimming out the excess and turning it over to the right side. Okay, I've attached the elastic, okay, to the lower part. I just use this pin to secure both ends. Okay, I've also fixed the rope for the neckline. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is I'll place my material like so and bring the back also, right sides facing each other. Then I'll go over to the machine like so. Okay, and sew half an inch. While sewing I'll be fixing the pocket. I'll be attaching the pocket to the material. Okay, and I'll also be hemming the lower parts also. I'll be folding this lower part also. So guys, this is what we'll be having at the end of the day. Okay, you can see how beautiful it is. Look at the pockets, okay, on both sides. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.